Think you know the tech world? Think again. Behind every gadget you love lies a powerhouse you might not even recognize. Foxconn. Today, we're uncovering the secrets of this manufacturing giant that shapes your devices and influences the entire tech industry. Did you know Foxconn assembles over 70% of the world's electronics? Buckle up for a wild ride into the hidden world of Foxconn. Now let's talk scale, because Foxconn's reach is absolutely staggering. With over 30 massive factories across multiple continents, Foxconn employs more than 1 million workers. To put that into perspective, that's more employees than some countries have. So, when you think about your smartphone or gaming console, remember, behind those devices is a complex operation involving countless people and processes that keep everything running smoothly. Let's reveal Foxconn's biggest partners. Picture this: Apple, Dell, Sony, Microsoft, you name it. Foxconn is the exclusive assembler of the iPhone, which means they don't just put the pieces together. They play a significant role in product design, pricing strategies, and even when your favorite gadgets hit the market. This level of influence raises important questions. How does this impact competition and innovation? Are other companies stifled by Foxconn's dominance? It's a double-edged sword. Speaking of innovation, let's dive deeper into how Foxconn shapes what's new and exciting in tech. Their immense resources allow for rapid development and production of cutting-edge technology. For instance, they can pivot quickly when a new trend emerges, like 5G or augmented reality. But here's an interesting thought. While this means you get the latest features quicker, does this concentration of power stifle true innovation? Are we witnessing groundbreaking advancements or merely iterations of existing products? It's a vital discussion for every tech enthusiast and consumer. But it's not all about shiny gadgets and rapid innovation. Foxconn has faced significant backlash over its labor practices. Reports of grueling hours, low wages, and challenging working conditions have sparked protests and media uproar. Did you know that in 2010, a series of worker suicides at Foxconn plants highlighted severe mental health issues? What's the real cost of our tech addiction? As consumers, we must confront the human stories behind our devices and advocate for better working conditions. Let's zoom out and examine Foxconn's global footprint. Countries are eager to host Foxconn factories, viewing them as golden opportunities for economic growth and job creation. For example, Foxconn's presence in countries like India and Brazil has significantly impacted local economies. However, this race can lead to compromises in labor rights and environmental standards. It's fascinating to see how Foxconn reshapes local economies while navigating the delicate balance between corporate interests and community welfare. Looking to the future, Foxconn is making major strides in automation and AI technology. This means that robots are increasingly taking over tasks that were once done by humans, streamlining production and reducing costs. But here's a thought. What does this mean for the workforce? While automation can increase efficiency, it also raises questions about job security for millions of workers. Can Foxconn embrace innovation while ensuring workers have opportunities for growth and stability? This is a crucial issue as we move forward. Foxconn's operations also raise serious environmental questions. From waste management to energy consumption, the environmental impact is profound. We'll delve into how Foxconn is tackling these challenges, like committing to renewable energy sources and improving waste disposal practices. But are these efforts enough to protect our planet? Can they balance profitability with sustainability? These are pressing questions that demand our attention.
Building the largest GB200 production facility on the planet.
What does the future hold for Foxconn and the tech industry? With emerging technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and advanced robotics on the rise, Foxconn is positioned to remain a key player. But will it maintain its dominance, or will new contenders shake things up? Innovative startups are rewriting the rules of the game, challenging conventions and sparking a wave of transformation. As Foxconn navigates this shifting landscape, it'll be intriguing to watch how they innovate and adapt. Stay tuned to this dynamic evolution. And there you have it, Foxconn, the hidden giant of the tech universe. The next time you unwrap a new gadget, remember the intricate web of influence and the human stories behind it. What do you think about Foxconn's role in the tech world? Is it a necessary player, or should we demand better practices? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video eye-opening, smash that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more thrilling explorations into the tech industry. Oh, and if you haven't seen this video on how BP is using greenwashing tactics, go and watch it.